Hey everyone, Mario Manistelf here on my bed with a phone. And today's Christmas Day, 25th, 25th of the 12th, 2011. And I got a new laptop. Really cool. Look, Core i7 processor, so it's insanely fast. You can hardly hear the fan. It's going to be a lot better for Let's Plays. And down here's all my other stuff that I got. This isn't actually what the video is, but Mario Kart 7 and Super Pokemon Rumble. This video is going to be the unboxing of Mario Kart 7, and the next one will be Super Pokemon Rumble, and I might make a video of all the stuff I got for Christmas. So I will be opening Mario Kart 7 now, and my knee made a loud cracking noise on the floor. Amazing. Right, let's go. Mario Kart 7. Probably not very bright, hold on, that should be better. It's on my bed, so hold on, I'll try to do it down here. No, that's better, I think. Sorry if it looks a bit of a weird colour, but it's kind of the way my lights are in my room. And I can't open it. Okay. Right, there we go. Little Nintendo thing coming around there. Okay. Oh, these are the three games I wanted. Mario Kart 7, Super Pokemon Rumble, and Mario 3D Land, which I've already got, so I'll just put this up with some more teasers. There we go. Mario Kart 7. There's the back. You probably can't read that, but wait, there's a light on here. Okay, that looks really weird. But yeah, that's that. Turn the light off. Okay, it's not there. Open it up. Club Nintendo thingamabob. Quick start guide. Telling you about all the items and... Oops, unfold that way. Look. They don't actually do instruction booklets anymore, so I've found out. They just have these quick start guides, which is pretty damn cool. That sounded really weird then. Pretty cool. Club Nintendo thing I'll do later. And the cartridge. Wait. That's really bad lighting. I'll try to sort it out for the Pokemon Rumble opening. Anyway, there's Mario Kart 7. I'll do a gameplay video at some point in the future, like I said with... Oh, look, you can see the shadow in the background. Ooh. Like I said with Mario 3D Land. So, hope you guys like this video, and make sure you check out the Super Pokemon Rumble one that I'm going to make next. See you guys in that video.
Bye-bye.